Hi, Mike McKean here at Guarantee Fifth Wheel, and today we're going to look at this Arctic Fox by Northwood. It's a 29-5K, just under 36 feet overall in length. Lots of storage, plenty of room. You have 3 slides on this model, so come on inside and we'll take a look. All right, as you come inside here, off to the left, you'll find the living area with a full wall slide with the dinette, theater seating. Also has the fireplace and a couple of lounge chairs over here. Nice thing is you got the corner kitchen, lots of counter space right here with a full oven and microwave, dual sink. Very nice layout. And as you move up into the bedroom, you'll find a king-size bed with a full wall closet. Gives you lots of storage space. Your shower is separate from your toilet, so you'll find that that's very convenient. Overall, I think it's a very, very nice layout. All right, well, thanks for spending time with us on this Arctic Fox. I hope you enjoyed it and hope to see you here at Guarantee. If you got any questions, give me a call at the number below, and I'll be able to answer those for you.